Oh. Hello, good morning everybody. We're out here at Blackstar Canyon, here hiking with some of my college roommates, physically distant. And it's something that we wanted to do since we were in undergrad, but never got a chance to do it. So doing this before my friend moves out for his job on the East Coast. It's my college roommate. We've known each other for what, 6 years?
6 years.
Coincidentally, wearing both Spartan gear on a Spartan run. Sad he's gonna be moving away for his new job, but happy that we get a chance to hike. We've been planning this for a few years, right, Antonio?
Been a couple years coming.
Yeah. So
Glad to be your tour guide.
he's been on this hike multiple times. It's my first time. So I think we're going to the waterfall today, if there is a waterfall, but we'll see. We'll keep you guys posted. You can see this view outside. It's pretty nice. But more to come. We're about an hour in, and it's pretty much been a straightforward hike. You just kind of walk. I think from what I've seen, it gets a little bit more difficult. There's some bouldering that lies ahead, but if you look right here, it's just kind of straight. So all my friends are up there, and I am back here recording just to take off my mask, but I'm gonna jog up there, catch up with them.
Balance not falling
And filming.
It gets a little technical.
Those are our rations that Renee is devouring right now.
The last pack.
We had
6
what?
weeks.
40 calories to split amongst 4 of us, and he ate everything. Oh, this is nice. Wow.
Unless you want to go over
We finally hit the Blackstar Falls, or Blackstar Falls hike route. And it's probably one of the more interesting parts because there's a lot of little rocks on the ground, and it's not a straightforward path. You kind of have to go take a detour outside of the normal route. So I don't know how far we've come in, but something to take note of in case you're wanting to hike this trail, because it's less direct and less straightforward than any other path. See, this is what I'm talking about. There's just like a lot of rocks, a lot of twigs and roots. So it's not big steps that you can take, but parkour. But that's what makes this route fun. I think they're all the way up there, so I'm gonna catch up with them. We all took different paths. So you see behind me, I went through this path. Laura's going through this path, and Renee is still taking a picture of something out there. He's slow. I'm just kidding. Take a picture of us, Renee. And I'm enjoying all the artwork that we're seeing on this hike. If you look here, there's a really beautiful piece in blue. And over here too. And then I found these people. Very beautiful. Kind of reach a spot where there's no more people. You see here it's dark, whereas behind us it's sunny. So getting to the deeper parts of the trail, and I think we're getting close to reaching the waterfall spot. So excited to see that. It's bouldering. So this is the bouldering stage of the hike. You see there's some big rocks here. This one is really big.
That's what I was gonna say.
And we kind of lost a few people.
There's like a part where like someone put a rope.
Now,
Hey, you brave souls. Here's the thing. GoPro.
made it. Made it. It's not that much water, but still, good point to rest and reflect.
Yeah. We're never gonna do this again.
Not with Antonio.
Yeah, we gotta get one fluke. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that was insane. Horrible.
There's a cave. You see right here. There's a cave that goes up there.
I'm bleeding.
Maybe that's the second part of the hike. Take a shower. Must be nice. See it all come up, calm down.
We'll come back after it rains. You down?
Yeah, I'm done. I don't know if Antonio will be here by that time though.
We'll get some tagging. I know, that's not the one.
Antonio, we made it. We made it. Aren't you happy? All these years led up to this point in time
Took you forever.
without water.
Took you forever to get here.
Yeah, it took us like 2 hours, 2.5 maybe. We started like at 8:30, 8:40. It's like 9, or excuse me, 11.
No, yeah, Laura's watched it 2 hours.
2 hours. Yeah. So
Yeah, we need a
yeah, celebrating that we made it.
Patrick's.
Okay. I'm just asking somebody.
My camera.
Now we gotta go down. All right, we are making it back to the car. This was a lot of fun. Took us about 3.5 hours to get back, total round trip. The hike trail to the waterfall was about 3.6 miles, so I guess 7.2 miles in total. And there was some parts where there were big boulders, so we had to boulder a little bit and got to see a little bit of water. There wasn't as much water as I hoped for, but that's understandable because we haven't had that much rain. So I definitely come back. Hopefully next time I come back there's some water. So highly recommend Blackstar Canyon if you get a chance to make it here.